musumbe Dr. William Ruto, musili munene wa makoani Justice Martha Koome na mbunge nene nimeyiava kuukitana na ulusani vamwe nthini wa ngava syonthe sya silikali Uneeni wauma umbanoni wa vamwe wa musumbe William Ruto na musili munene wa makoani Justice Martha Koome uneenen'yani wa State House uendee kutulwa muti ngwatanio ya ulei Azimio Kenya ainene akuyalamu Raila Odinga ni wauma ya umbano wa musumbe na musili munene wa makoani ayasya kuukitana uthei wa muvia wa koti. Joseph Kitheka no kutolesya.
And I will repeat that we must deal firmly, decisively with corruption in the judiciary. I mean it. And we are going to deal firmly and decisively to root out corruption in the judiciary.
Mithenya kautaitina wa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza Mutongoi wa President Dr. William Ruto kwitha unakanizia mwaki muvia umeelekeli muviani wa koti na kwitha aiweta tavena makana muviani vala musili mwene wa makoani va Kenya mwandu Martha Koome uneyumililie na kuvuvia mwaki ayathana kana ni maandikiye President valua methe maikomana yu ni wethe wa muthenyani wa umundi. Masani makioko President William Ruto musili munene Martha Koome ondu mwana spika wa mbunge nene Moses Wetangula ni makomanania vomani nene ya serikali uendee State House na kwithana kikalo kimwanya nthini wa valola wetha huitumwa nyumbani sya unyei cha mavo itina wa kikalo ki ndongo itatu sya itue nene sya serikali nisietikilana kwa vamo kukwatana kuko na kuukitana kwa vinya kitau cha ulusani miviani yonthe ya serikali nikenda kukwata uthukumi mwailu kula kumwene nthi ondu mwana kukunikila kwa vakuvi uthukumi wa mivia kivathukanio. Ingi kwana na valo President niwathana kuongelanga budget muviani wa koti nikenda kuutonya kuthukuma vatena mathina ona amwe kwivo ingi kuolota asirima makoani 25 makoti wa yulu wenda High Court nangi 11 kuthinikia makoani ala matungwa ingi iko kana Court of Appeal kichonthe kiuka mithenya mivuthu vala nayo ndongo iyolei Raila Odinga yithiitwe yikanye vane musili wa makoani Martha Koome ndakakomane na serikali nundu koti ni muvia wiyungamitie kimiao.
Please, Madam Martha Koome, don't compromise the independence of the judiciary by going to bed with the executive. There's nothing to be discussed between you and the executive. Just give an order that the judicial rulings must be respected by everybody, including the president.
Ndongo ingi ila sifikite vomanene ya serikali ni vona munini wa musili munene wa makoani mwandu Philomena Mwilu, munene wa magavana mwandu Hani Wanguru, munene wa Miao Justin Muturi, minister wa mugu nthini Professor Kidiki kati wa ndongo ingi. Come students. Kyo mundi ainene kwelamu itina waki kutwaiwa Raila ni wawetakana yuko ni kuvinyiya muvia wa koti na kutikila muvia kutumika nae wanakwitha wailita kwitha wiyungamitie nthini wa mautwi mawo undula waweta utotonya kwitha wi muisyo munene va nthi ya Kenya.
Chief Justice, the head of judiciary, has gone for a meeting with the president in the State House. This, in our view, is an irresponsible move. If there's supposed to be a dialogue, this dialogue should be held in a neutral place. State House is the head of the executive, it's the seat of the executive. That's where the president resides. If there's going to be a dialogue over issues of governance, they should be held in a neutral ground. But this means that the judiciary itself is being compromised by the executive. The judiciary is being held hostage by the executive. And we've seen this before. You saw it happen under the rule of Mr. Moi. And we have tried to caution the current Chief Justice not to go to bed with the executive. This is an unfortunate development. And we hope that the rest of members of the judiciary are not going to be compromised. We want the judges to remain firm and do their work in accordance with the law and the constitution of our country.
Joseph Kitheka ngilivote vilingi wa mauvo Mutongoi TV.